Class 78 is one of the most popular steam engines of the German Federal Railroad. Once upon a time, she used to travel up and down the German main and branch lines. The locomotive was often accompanied by a set of passenger cars that included doors in the center of the vehicle. A three-part set of these distinctive cars are now also available as half-hour models for Trix. The same is true for Class 78, which is depicted as it did in 1965. The prototype could be found operating all over Germany, which is not surprising given that 540 pieces of the former Prussian T18 were built in different versions. The Märklin model is made of metal and will be equipped with an MFX Plus decoder. The boiler will house a high-performance motor with a flywheel. The cars receive LED interior lighting from factory. In fact, the entire train lights up, thanks to a decoder mounted on board the control car. Please note that all models are pre-series versions that don't represent the finished products. The new 78507 is sure to provide model railroaders with a lot of action on any Era 3 layout given her extensive state-of-the-art features. A smoke generator can be mounted separately, and the three bottle green passenger cars can be combined into a realistic express train true to the original.